Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another paper of Cambridge IGCSE. This is paper 1 for core students of October-November 2021 058011, and time to complete this paper is an hour. So you can use geometrical instruments in that, and plus the calculator is allowed in both papers, in all the papers. So here are the instructions you can go through. So without any delay, let's start. So question 1, complete the table. You can see we have sections here for fraction, this is decimal, and this is percentage. The first is an example for you. The second one, we have 0.25 to convert it into decimal. So we have 0.25, it's in decimal. So when you make the fraction of this, it is 1/4. So 1/4 will go here in this column. Then remaining, so 1/4 is 25% times 100. So this is 25%. So in percentage we will have 25, right? Similarly for 1/5 you can do that. So this is 0.20. This is very simple question, but you can see we have 3 blanks here and 3 marks question. Now number 2, you can see there is a shape here. The shape is drawn on 1 centimeter square grid. Find the perimeter of the shape. We need to find out the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outer edges, the length of the outer sides of the shape. So we can start from here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So the length is 24 centimeters all around the shape, that is the perimeter, right? So now number 3, write down the order of rotational symmetry of this shape. You can see this shape here. So we need to find out the order of rotational symmetry. For that we can use a tracing paper. So first of all we will draw this shape on the tracing paper. So it's like this. So now rotational symmetry is like the symmetry when you get the same shape after 360 turns. So for that, let me just make star here. So that means we start from here and we will move around throughout the shape until we get star here. So I can move here. Let me just put my pencil here. So one turn, shape is different. Second term, we are getting the same shape here. So one rotational symmetry, but we don't have star until now here. So then again not, now again. You see we started from this point with the star and we got the same shape there twice, right? So rotational symmetry is 2 for this case. Okay, so let's move to next one. Question number 4. You can see some shapes here. So let's see the question. Write down the letter of the shape that is congruent to the shaded shape. The shaded shape is this. Now what is congruent? Congruent means you need to have same shape and same size, right? So you can see the options. We have A, it's not same, it's same shape but it is not same size, and this shape is different, this size is different. The only shape that I can see here, this E, which has the same shape as the shaded shape. So then E will be the answer. So because this is same shape and size. Now number 5, you can see here stem and leaf diagram. The number of items that each of 22 people buy in supermarket is shown in the stem and leaf diagram. So here is the information. So find the mode. What is the mode? Mode is like when you get the maximum frequency, so the most occurred event. So here you can see in this, I can see only this is the number that is coming 3 times as compared to the other one. So what is this? According to key 1 represents 11, so that means it represents 22. So mode will be 22 in this question, right? Now the median. So for the median we have to follow the process that we usually do. So we are looking for the middle number, so we will start from here and then we will cancel out like first last, second last, third last, like this, fourth last, then this is fifth last, sixth, like this. So we will go one by one. So now what are you left with? We are left with here this, which is 29, and here we have this 31. So we will take average of that to find out the median, which is 29 and 31. 29 plus 31 over 2. So let's do that. 29 plus 31 divided by 2, which is 30. So 30 is our final answer for median. I hope you understood all these questions. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please press the like button and also share this channel with your friends. Those who have already subscribed, thank you so much for that, you guys. Let's continue with the paper. Number 6, change 2.7 kilometers into meters. So this is a very simple question. You know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we are just going to multiply 2.7 times 1000. That will be the meters. So this will be 2700, 3 zeros, 1 decimal place. So you are left with the 2700. So final answer is 2700 meters. Now find the number of hours in 5 days. So in one day there are 24 hours. So 24 times 5, it is 120 hours, right? Simple. Now number 7, this is very tricky question. For that we have to be very careful. Number 7, Hank flies from Los Angeles to Shanghai, and the flight departs on Friday, 22nd July at 21:40. The flight takes 13 hours and 35 minutes. The local time in Shanghai is 15 hours ahead of local time in Los Angeles, right? Find the day, date in and time in Shanghai when Hank's flight arrives, right? So now we will do this step by step, so I can make sections here. Los Angeles, and this side we have Shanghai, right? We will write the timing accordingly. So he said the flight departs on Friday, so we are talking for Friday. It starts, which is 22nd of July. It starts at 21:40, right? And now we have that Shanghai is 15 hours ahead. So that means if we add 15 hours to this, so that will be the time in Shanghai at that time. So 21:40 plus 15. So this will be 36:40. So 36:40 means it cannot be more than 24 hours. So minus 24. So it will be 12:40, right? So it will be 12:40 here at that time when this is the time in Los Angeles. So this time is 12:40. This, because this is ahead, so this is already now Saturday, right? That is 23rd of July, right? So now we are done with this thing. Now flight takes 13 hours and 35 minutes. So again we have to add 30 hours and 35 minutes, which makes it 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, 25. So again this is more 24 hours, so that is another day. So we are going to subtract, that is 75, it is 175. So this time is now we reach to Sunday, which is 24th, right? So we got two answers here, Sunday and date. Now we are left with time. So 175, we cannot write down 175 because this is more than 60 here. So minus 60 from here. Where should I write? Let me write down here. 175. So minus 60 minutes. So this is hours and this is minute. So 5, 6 here, and then this 1 hour will be added this side to make this hour. So this became 2 hours and 15 minutes. So our final answer, we got this one now. Day will be Sunday. It's Sunday, 24th July, and time will be 2:50. So you need to complete this step by step, taking care of all the time ahead and the time taken to the flight, right? Now part B, the cost of the flight is $920. The exchange rate is $1 equals to 6.787 Chinese yuan. So $1 is equal to 6.87 Chinese yuan, right? So the cost is $920. Find the cost in yuan. So let's say this is x. Now just cross multiply. So x times 1 equals to 6 times 87 times 920. So let's see that. How much is that? 6.87 times 920. It is, we need answer in decimals, 6320.4. So 6320 times 40 yuan. So that's it for this one. Number 8. Number 8 we have P is equal to 2n minus 3t. Find the value of n when P is 9 and t is 8. So we can write down P as 2n minus 3t and P is 9. Just replace the values which are given. 2n minus 3t is 8. So 9 equals to 2n minus 24. 2n minus 24 can be written as 9. 2n equals to 9 plus 24, which is 33, and n will be 33 over 2, which is 16.5, right? So that was question number 8. Let's move to next question. Yeah. The scale drawing shows the position of two towns So now you have scale drawing shows the position of two towns P and Q. We have town P here, Q here. The scale represents 1 centimeter as 4 kilometers, right? So now the question is, first part, find the actual distance between town P and town Q. So scale is 1 centimeter to 4 kilometers. So first of all we need to draw a line to find out the length of this one. So we can draw a line here from P to Q. Sorry, we have to draw it again. Use this bigger ruler. So from P to Q. Okay, so let's measure how much is this. This is approximately, you can see 8.3. So it's approximately 8.3. Let me check again. It is 8.2. So we have this length is 8.2 centimeters. Now 1 centimeter represents, we are given here that 1 centimeter is equal to 4 kilometers, right? So what will be 8.2 centimeters? So just cross multiply, that will give you the final answer, times 4, 8 times 4 times 2, 8, it is 32.8. So our final answer here will be 32.8, right? Now second, measure the bearing of town Q from town P. So whenever you get this type of question from P, so you just go to P and then measure up to Q. How much is that one? So let's see, we have from P to Q. So we are looking for this angle actually. So let's put this one here like this. So you can see we have angle here, this side. Exactly it is, you see we need to look for this reading here, 10, 20, 30, 60 to 65, right? So 65, this is 65, but we have to add 0 because in bearing we always take 3 digits, right? So this answer is 065 degrees, right? Now part C, town X is 28 kilometers from town P on bearing of 140. On the scale drawing, mark the position of town X. So now 28 kilometers will represent how much, like let's say 1 centimeter represents 4 kilometers, right? So when you do this one, so let's see how much will be that. So sorry, I wrote in wrong way. So 1 centimeter is equal to 4 kilometers and 28 kilometers will be how much? So when you do this, so it will be x times 4 equals to 28 over 4 over 4. So 4 times 7. So that will be 7 centimeters. So our distance is 7 centimeters. So but where we can from P, he said town from P. So on bearing of 140. So on 100 and from P we need an angle of 140 degrees, right? So let's start from here. So 140, you see this 10, 20, 30, like here it will be 140. So we can extend this line like this, and he said like it is on bearing of 140 at 28 kilometers from P. So 28 is, that means 7. So we have here, this is the point where we will have X. Okay, so this angle is 140 degrees, right? So that's it. Moving step by step. Let's move to next question. Okay, question number 10. Chung invests $2,460 at rate of 3.5 percentage per year simple interest. Calculate the total amount of his investment at the end of 4 years. So now we have P, principal, $2,460, and we have rate of 3.5 centimeters, and we have time of 4 years, right? So first we will look for the simple interest, which is P times R times T over 100, right? So P is 2460, R is 3.5, time is 4 divided by 100. So let's calculate that one. It is 2460 times 3.5 times 4 divided by 100. So it is 344.40, $344.40, right? So what we are looking for, amount. So amount is simple interest plus principal, right? So 344.40 plus 2460. When you add this, you are getting $2,804.40. So that is the final answer, right? Now question number 11. 125 people taste a new drink. Each person gives a score out of 5. The bar chart shows the results. Okay, so now this side we have a number of people and this side we have score. So now the score, which is, what is this? This is 10, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is 4. 4 people give score 0. And then this is 10, 12, 14 and half of that is 15. 15 gives score 1 and 2, score 2 is given by 22. This is 23. Then 3 is given by, if this is 30, 32, 34, 36, and this one is 18, 19, and this is 2 less than this, 28. Okay, I hope you understood what I did here. So this is the score given by people, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people give score 0. Now calculate the mean. So for the mean, we have to take it as 4 times 0 plus 15 times 1, like 15 people give one score as 1. Then 23 times 2 plus 36 times 3 plus 19 times 4 plus 28 times 5 and divided by 125, right? So this is sigma fx, actually the sum of the frequencies. So when you calculate this one, 4 times 0 we can leave that. So 15 times 1, 15 times 1 is 15. So I'm just writing 15 plus 23 times 2 plus 36 times 3 plus 19 times 4 plus 28 times 5, 385 divided by 125. So this is 3.08, right? So final answer is 3.08. So that's it guys for this video. We have covered question 1 to 11. I hope you understood all the question. If there is anything, you can let me know in the comment section. A remaining question I will do in the second video. So please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and if you liked it, press the like button and press the notification button so that you can get notified whenever there is a new video. Thank you so much guys. God bless you.